The tomatoes have been in the hydroponic system nearly 3 months now. You can see how large they are. They've grown right up to the roof and they're producing a lot of tomatoes at the moment. What we're going to do today is we're going to do some maintenance on the plants, and as you can see across here, we've removed the lower leaves, all the leaves down below the tomatoes. Anywhere that we've got tomatoes, we've removed all the leaves down there because it's the leaves up the top up here that are producing the sugars that are required for the plant. The old leaves down here aren't doing very much towards the growth of the plant. Also, we'll be removing suckers today. You can see this piece here coming down there on the branch. That's a sucker. That's the leaf, and that's a sucker in the leaf axil. Then we don't want that, because by removing those, the nutrient that goes into growing those extraneous pieces actually go into the fruit, and we produce a lot more fruit and they're a lot bigger. And you can see that there's plenty of tomatoes down here all over the place. Now I've run over the first set of plants up here. As I showed you before, you can see that I've stripped the leaves out, and today we're going to clean up this section down here, get rid of all these old leaves down the bottom. There's some nice fruit there, so we're going to remove all these leaves down here, and then as we come up here we'll have a look and see. And there's another sucker, we'll remove that. There's a big sucker there that'll go, and that's what we'll be doing today, cleaning up this end of the Dutch bucket system. We'll start off with this bush here. First thing we do is we have a look. We see where the tomatoes are. There they are there. So what we'll do, we'll start stripping off all the branches. That's a sucker, that one, or it was. We'll strip off all the little branches all the way down, clean them out. Put them into a bin where they'll go over to our worm farm and feed them. So the next one across, that's a sucker. You can see that there. Take that out, a leaf under it, and work our way down the plant, removing all the leaves as we go down. There's the fruit on that one. It's coming up here. That looks alright. What have we got here? Take these leaves off, and the sucker. The plants are certainly healthy. They're getting 4 feeds a day at the moment. That's why there's so much growth on them. They're getting fed so much. Take that off. Last couple down there. And then over here, I'll clean these ones up. Sucker in there, take that, another sucker. Prolific number of suckers on these. Right, now we'll move over to the next bush. See what we've got. We've got fruit there. Another reason for taking these excess leaves off is that it will allow additional air circulation. Big sucker there. Air circulation around the base of the plants, which reduces the threat of pests and viruses simply due to air circulation. Remove those off there. Now see what we've got on this plant. There you go. Big sucker there. Quite a fair size. And thin out the ones in the next row across. Also, finish this one off. One out the back there. What have we got up here? There's a sucker, take that one out. I'll clip a couple of these stems back, keep them supported, because once the fruit comes along, the weight is going to bend them down, guaranteed. Alright, that's looking better. Now, I'll clip this up here around that other stem there that's really supported quite strongly. There's our bunch of fruit. And now, so we'll strip out the leaves down underneath it, clean it out, including the suckers, of which there's plenty. The worms will eat well this afternoon, that's for sure. And the one in behind. Clean them up too. Now look for any suckers up on the top up here. They're tied up together, alright. They're alright. More fruit there. Well, that doesn't look too bad actually now. You can see we've removed there was a few on that one there, but that's on the other side. I'll get to that in a moment. We've removed most of the leaves down the bottom. All the healthy growth is up the top here. There's some more fruit. Fruit everywhere. Another lot there. There's some more down there. In there. Nice crop there. Little guys up there just starting. More fruit there and there. And across there. And you can see that I've already cleaned up this side. There's some more fruit. Buds up there, flowers everywhere. Everywhere you look there's bunches of flowers right up to the roof. More fruit. Another batch there. Lots of fruit. We're going to get a pretty good crop this year actually. More in there. And then we get down to our different varieties here. These are our black cherry tomatoes just starting. Some little guys there. Some more there. 2 bushes of those. More in there. And some more there. You'll notice these are the pear-shaped ones, the yellow ones. That could actually have a little bit more of the lower limbs taken off, I think, the lower branches. There's some tigrella, just starting off. And there, the cherry tomatoes. Some more up there. So that's what we've got in the way of tomatoes this year so far. At about 3 months or just under 3 months, I think they've been in the system.